When you have your vehicle serviced at Ontario Motor Sales, we want to ensure your vehicle is returned to you looking its very best. That's why we give every vehicle a little bath after the service work is complete. Want to know what that looks like? Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feel and moving and a grooving, rolling and a strolling. Damn! Well, splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was.
After its bath, we'll make sure all major touch points have been sanitized before returning your vehicle. And that's an OMS service experience. Thanks so much for watching.